What is up, Chris? What is up, Laker? Tracy? How is everyone doing? Big Stove, what's up, brother? Nate, how we doing? What up, guys? We are back. MYBB, we are back in business. Pumped to get things going again. We got Absolute scheduled for tomorrow already. We got Mosaic on deck tonight. We are fully back, ready to go. All right, give everyone a second. Chris Bones, Matt Fran, how we doing? We're doing swell, Laker. We are doing good. We're hoping to get some fire pulls tonight. We had 10 Mosaics last Friday, and they were eh. So hopefully these are the ones with that gas, those nice QBs, all right? Oh, I'm doing great, Chris. Doing great. How are you? All right, guys, let's get things going here. Show off the top half. Landro, how you doing? Eric, what's up? Bottom half here. We do have Tennessee open, but unless anyone is yearning for Tennessee, we're ready to get it going. All right. Leandro, we do have one open team. We got Tennessee. Tennessee Titans open. That is a $4 team. So let anyone who wants to think about that, get that first one up front. Scray, how we doing? Titans, $4, Nate. $4 for the Titans. $4 here. Shipping for one team, $4. So total $8. Approximately $4, yeah. So we would accept PayPal or Venmo. All right, so I'm just going to put up PayPal and Venmo address. And whoever I get the payment from first, we're going to give it to them, all right? I'm going to put it up for a second. If anybody else gets a payment in, we're going to refund you guys after, all right? So sorry if we do end up in that situation. Wayne, can I explain what this is? Yes, I can, my man. We're doing a box break. So I'm going to leave this up another second. We open specified amount of boxes. Everyone bids on all 32 teams, and whatever cards those teams get are guaranteed to the winner of that team. Leave this up one more time. We'll give this another minute, and then we're going to get going, guys. Drew, what's up? How we doing? See, I'll give that a second, and we're ready to go. Get this cut in the meantime. All right. So I'm not seeing anyone pick it up yet. Give it another second. I'm going to show the paper off one more time. And then we'll get going. If I get a payment after, I'll just go by the first one we get. All right. Give it another couple. Let's get going, guys. Don't want to keep people waiting too long. All right. First pack on deck. We are due for 10 Mosaic hangers. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. We got Tyler Eifert, Kyler Murray, Drew Lock, Matt Judon, Rob Gronk, Mike Evans, Aaron Donald, George Kittle,
I feel like I see something
Adrian Peterson, Silver Mosaic, Henry Ruggs, rookie for the Raiders. That's nice. That is nice. Very nice. Very nice. We got reactive Chris Conley for the Jags. Yeah, Nate, if you have a team, it's just pick it up. You send me fives. Yes, I'm sorry. That's my bad. So if you guys do have a team, it's just an additional $1 of shipping. Len Dawson, gold reactive. Steve Young, Hall of Fame reactive. No rookie in this one. Michael Thomas, reactive.
Yeah,
We got a regular old school Jerome Bettis for the Rams. Touchdown Masters Randy Moss for the Vikings. Got a rookie Keyshawn Vaughn. Pro Bowl Calais Campbell. J.K. Dobbins, rookie for the Ravens. And a Jerry Jeudy debut for Denver. All right. We got Mr. Ruggs front and center. That's a nice one. I don't really pull too many of the silver mosaics. Going at the silvers, not the silver mosaic. All right, hanger number 2. Hanger number 2. What's up, Pat? How you doing? Drop that down. Whenever you see that space between the cards, yeah, it's such a tease. But they're literally just bent different. Look at that. Teasing us. All right, let's see. That's definitely, I see a silver mosaic, I think. Roquan Smith.
It's black.
Kelsey.
The last one was black, too.
Jason Witten. Mark Ingram. Dwayne Haskins. Joe Namath. Danian Tomlinson. Ooh. Big Ben. He's a Big Ben.
Next one.
Keyshawn. Zach Martin. Silver mosaic. Calais Campbell. Pro Bowl for the Jags. Jags are starting off pretty hot. John Brown, reactive gold, Buffalo. LaVisca Chenault, rookie gold reactive for the Jags again. Nice. Got a Tom Brady in the Bucks, gold reactive. And a Cortland Sutton, gold reactive. Got a regular, old school Julius Peppers. Touchdown Masters, Dan Marino. Hall of Fame Brian Urlacher for the Bears. There he is, Justin Herbert.
Nice.
For the Chargers. Regular rookie. Nice Pro Bowl Russell Wilson behind that. An A.J. Terrell rookie. And the Kids Reporter. All right. Hitting some QBs early. There we go. Okay. These there. All right, take from the center. Moving on. Hanger number 3. There it is, Austin. Yes, sir. Hopefully that ain't the last. We're going to show love to all the big QBs. We're hoping. All right. Hanger number 3. We got LT on top. Some particles there. Here we go. Big Ben. Zach Thomas. Daniel Jones. Von Miller. Marlon Mack. Tyler Eifert. Kyler Murray. Drew Lock. Silver mosaic. Zach Ertz for Philly. Let's back it up a little bit. There we go. We got gold reactive LT. Peanut Tillman reactive for Chicago. Got a rookie Kenneth Murray reactive for the Chargers. And Eddie George reactive. Don't see that one a lot. For Tennessee. We got old school Thurman Thomas. Tony G touchdown master. Lynn Bowden Jr. for the Raiders. Lamar Jackson Pro Bowl for Baltimore. And Van Jefferson, rookie for LA. And a CD hiding behind him. NFL debut for Dallas. Very nice.
Put some of these on.
Let's get them up. Get Mr. Justin Herbert up there. Get LaVisca. We'll show love to Calais too for now. Damn Jags. Riches got 2 of the cards up there. All right. Number 4. Hanging number 4. Okay. floor is our trash can tonight. No specified bag. Let it rain free. Alrighty. Bang. We got Christian Kirk. Stephon Diggs. T.Y. Hilton. A.J. Green. John Riggins. Jamal Adams. Cooper Kupp. Rod Woodson. Dalvin Cook. Silver Mosaic Aaron Jones. Playing right now. Nice hit for Green Bay. We got a Hall of Fame reactive Kevin Green. John Riggins reactive. Second one in the pack. Gardner Minshew reactive. And Tyler Johnson rookie reactive for the Bucks. Nice, nice. We got Joe Namath old school. AP touchdown masters for Washington. DeAndre Swift NFL debut. A Michael P. Ryan rookie. John Elway Hall of Fame. And Brian Edwards rookie for Vegas. We got all the Vegas receivers. Alrighty. Get those boys separated. Alright. At the halfway point here. Hanger number 5. Need those autos, y'all. Where's that Jenny? Where is that Genesis? Roger Staubach on the front. Alright. Let's see here. Bizarre Mike, what's up? What up? A lot of particles on that. Roger. There we go. We got Roger Staubach, Marquise Brown, Jordy Nelson, Julius Peppers, Dwight Freeney, Jimmy G. Now, Mike, you can still pay. We didn't resell. Did not resell. Kyle Rudolph, Mike Alstott, Taysom Hill, Green Mosaic, Randy Moss for the Vikings. Nice, nice. We got gold reactive, Terry Bradshaw for Pittsburgh. Kerryon Johnson reactive. Terry Bradshaw, second one for Pittsburgh. Hall of Fame. And Mike Williams for the Chargers, reactive. Got a God Game, Adrian Peterson for Washington. Green Mosaic, old school, Jerome Bettis for the Rams. Got a Javon Kinlaw, rookie for the Niners. Jonathan Taylor, NFL debut. And a Jake Fromm, rookie for Jerome Bettis, Hall of Fame. Alrighty. Alright, not too bad through the first half, but we gotta heat it up on the back end. Okay, where are them Burrows? Where are them Tuas? A lot of space there. So looks like bend. Alright. Hanger number 6. Let's get it, guys. Got Troy Aikman. Ed Reed. Herman Moore. DJ Moore. Kirk Cousins. Marshawn Lynch. Michael Thomas. Chris Conley. Melvin Gordon. Silver KJ Hamler rookie for Denver. Nice. Good silver rookie. And there he is.
Oh, nice.
NFL debut. Gold reactive. Joe Burrow for Cincy. Finally. There he is. Jimmy G reactive. Charles Tillman reactive. Second one, I think. And a Clyde Edwards. All right. That I swear that's the first hanger we've ever opened with 2 rookies in the reactive golds.
Nice
Clyde
goals.
rookie. There we go. So we got a silver rookie, a Burrow, and a Clyde. That's hot. Let's get a 2 on the back end. Derrick Henry will win. Silver Mosaic. Terry Bradshaw, Steelers. That's a good hanger. Let's organize that. Lamar Jackson, Pro Bowl. Van Jefferson, rookie. CD Lamb debut. And the regular KJ Hamler to go wrong. That boy, we're going to get sleeved up in a second. Put up. Nice. All right. Put these there. Sleeve up a couple here. Alrighty. Let's kick Calais to the curb. We still love him. Take Brady off. Bingo. Move Justin out a little bit. Bing, bing. There we go. Let LaVisca chill for now. Alright. Oh, wait. We gotta get that. Sorry, LaVisca. Get that silver KJ there. And that's at the good angle. You guys can catch that shine. Very nice. All right. Let's keep rolling. So that was the best hanger, definitely. By a mile. Nick, what's up? How we doing? T-Melt, what up? Got that Burrow. Got that Clyde. Got that silver KJ. All right. So we checked off Bengals. We checked off Chargers. Now we got to get that 2 of love. And I don't want to be a jinx, guys, but I think I see something good here. I'll keep it at that. I feel like a dick, though, if it's just green Mosaic. All right. See ya?
Not really.
Take a look from the side. Howie Long. I'm fully invested in this prediction. Donovan McNabb. Dan Marino. Nick Bosa. Sony Michel. Roquan Smith. Travis Kelce, Jason Witten, Scripps Auto, Tony Pollard.
Nice.
Thought I saw it. There it is. Auto for Dallas. Nice. Tony Pollard. Got a green Mosaic Drew Lock. Now we're starting to heat up here. Let's get some more rookie nice reactives here. Pro Bowl, Mark Andrews, reactive. Paul, what's up? How we doing, man? Dan Marino, reactive. Dick Butkus, reactive. And there's that gold reactive. Henry Ruggs to go along with that silver Mosaic. Nice Raiders. We got touchdown masters, Derrick Henry. Mosaic touchdown masters, Dan Marino. For the Finns, Pro Bowl TJ Watt. There's a Jalen Hurts. Getting all the QBs. Clyde debut. And a LaVisca. Nice. All right. These past 2 hangers have definitely been the best. Okay, let's get these guys chilling. All right. 3 hangers left, guys. 3 hangers. Gotta get some Giants love for you, Nate. 3 hangers left to do it. Let's get it. So it's shaping up to be better than the first 10 we opened on Friday. That is definitely good news. All right. We got Yannick Ngakoue. Randall Cunningham. A little hair on the bottom there. Robert Woods. Drew Brees. Landon Collins. Larry Fitz. John Elway. Earl Thomas. Aaron Jones. Thought that was silver for a second. Oh boy.
Ooh.
There's the Genesis. Deshaun Jackson. Genesis.
There you go, Eagle.
Yo, leave it to NYBB to pull a weird first Genesis. No rookie, but Hey now, we can't
The next
complain.
card.
These aren't numbered, right?
No.
Are any of them potentially numbered?
No. Not the Genesis.
Sick
but they're fucking-
card, sick. Nice. Oh, I didn't even look at the
Yeah.
next card. Did you guys catch a look at that Jordan Love?
That's
We're heating up. We are heating up.
a nice break.
Heating up. Daniel Jones. There's a giant. Tyreek Hill. And followed by his QB, Mahomes. Nice. Touchdown master, Tony G. We're going 3 straight Chiefs right now. Chiefs eating. John Elway, green mosaic. For Denver. Chase Claypool, NFL debut. We're hitting variety tonight. This is good. This is good. Derek Brown, rookie for the Panthers. Jerry Rice, Hall of Fame. Gabriel Davis, rookie. I heard somewhere like the count on Gabriel Davis, he's supposedly actually rare in the set.
Really?
Like he's not pulled as often, yeah. Could be a bunch of horse poop, but I don't know. I don't see him a lot. Legitimately. All right. 2 hangers left. We got to keep the seat
Put
up.
this boy up there?
Oh, yeah, what am I doing? Yo, I can't believe we did it. We got him. All right, Rob, so we got to put the Genesis front and center.
I'll put the J Love up there.
Oh, yeah, of course. Now it's time for the base Herbert to rest. This is a strong 5. We're building a strong 5 right now. It's good. All right. Let's get it, Nate. Yeah, prices were a little lower tonight, but it's all for the people. The people eat. They eat. 2 boxes left. Let's keep the same energy. I'm not seeing crazy shine on the side of this. I'd be surprised. Okay. We got Stephon Gilmore, Dwayne Haskins, Melvin Gordon, James Conner, Chris Jones, Roger Staubach, Marquise Brown, Jordy Nelson, Julius Peppers, silver rookie Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. Nice hit. There's a nice Kyler Murray reactive gold. Yo, we're really, dude, these last like 4 hangers have actually been much better. Genesis Daniel Jones. Oh boy. I mean, I'm not talking shit, but like, why does Daniel Jones have a will to win card? I'm sorry.
Predictions is
Jalen Hurts.
maybe.
Nice gold reactive. Bobby Wagner. T.Y. Hilton.
Eagles are doing well tonight.
Got game Miles Sanders. We're feeding pretty much everyone tonight. Oh, nice. Silver mosaic. Got game Kelsey. I'm
Mahomes.
cooked up. Mahomes, thank you. Chiefs are doing very well. Got game Patrick Mahomes in the silver mosaic. NFL debut Cam Akers. Jeff Okuda, rookie in the college uni. Terry Bradshaw, Hall of Fame. There's a Jet. Mr. James Morgan, rookie. Alrighty, guys. One more hanger. Tell me what you want. Manifest it. Like that Genesis Daniel Jones. That'd be sick. Pretty wild. Does Daniel Jones have an auto?
Yeah, I would assume so.
Like this year? Give me that Darren Waller auto. 1 of 1. Letters spelled out. Alright. Let's get it, guys. No Tua love. That's the only one we've been missing. Any other Dolphin love? No, not too much, I don't think. But we got 20 cards left. I'm praying for you. We got Chris Godwin. Saquon Barkley. Max Crosby. Sean Jackson. Calvin Johnson. Thurman Thomas. Will Fuller. Joe Mixon. Well, Joe Tease. Tyreek Hill. Silver Roquan Smith for the Bears. Good amount of silvers pulled. NFL debut Jalen Reagor. Philly keeps eating. Gold reactive. Landon Collins, gold reactive for Washington. Teddy Bridgewater reactive, Panthers. And a silver. Rookie, Anthony McFarland Jr., gold reactive. 2 rookies there, nice. Regular got game, Tom Brady. There is something with some sparkle behind here, boy. Some color here. Mosaic, will to win, Randy Moss. Nice. Minnesota. Very tough. Ending it off here. Troy Polamalu, Hall of Fame.
Hey, there you go. Some 2 of that.
Thank God, man. All is good in the world. At least, it won't get you everything back, but we ain't going home empty-handed, my man. To a base. Let's wipe that shit off him. There we go. Very nice. Deshaun Watson, Pro Bowl, and Javon Kinlaw for the Niners. So that is going to do it, guys. We are going to get all the best posts collected, and we got some good ones tonight. Going to have a good post after we're done here with them, too. Let's get all these going. All right. We got silver Mosaic. Now, you know what? We love Tua. And we're going to show off base Tua first. And we're going to show you the back. No problem, Brad. Happy the Chiefs ate tonight, brother. There's that silver Mosaic Mahomes. Jalen Hurts, gold reactive. Kyler, gold reactive. Silver Michael Pittman, rookie. Reactive MVP Mahomes. Base Herbert. Silver Mosaic Ruggs we started off with. Mosaic Touchdown Masters, Dan Marino. Regular Jalen Hurts. Our auto of the night, Scripps Tony Pollard for Dallas. Reactive LaVisca, reactive Brady. Silver Mosaic Calais Campbell. Got a gold reactive, Jalen Reagor for Philly. And that beautiful Mosaic Randy Moss from Minnesota. And then our beautiful 5 here. We'll get that Genesis on top. Genesis, first one in NYBB history, Deshaun Jackson. Never too washed to get a Genesis card. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, reactive gold. Jordan Love, reactive gold. Tua, man, I need some rest. Joe Burrow, NFL debut, reactive gold. And that silver KJ Hamler. Guys, that is going to do it for tonight. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern. We're opening 10 Absolute Football Blasters. Those auctions are up on eBay already. JChuck21, search it up. Thank you guys for coming. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a good one. Peace.